Hi guys, till now we saw how to make fermentation curd rice. So now everybody should know those benefits also. This is should and must. Everybody should know the Indian culture. Okay, straight away. After 12 hours of fermentation of 100 grams of rice, the benefits are. So when we are going to be compared with normal curd rice versus fermentation curd rice. So the main benefits, the iron in the normal curd rice 3.4 mg available, but in the fermentation curd rice it is going to be up to 74 mg due to overnight soak. Like calcium, it went to up to 850 mg. From normal curd rice, it's having 21 mg. And potassium, it went up to 839 mg. And sodium consuming not good for health. That is the reason it is coming down from 475 mg to 303 mg. And zinc, it is very ultimate. Zinc will increase in fermentation rice 1000 times. And very most important point, it has rare B6 and B12 vitamins, which is not really even in common fruits and vegetables. Again I'm telling, the B6 B12 vitamin which is not even available in common fruits and vegetables. This rice generates and harbors trillions of beneficial bacteria that help digestion and has many diseases fighting and immunity developing agents. The good bacteria that grow due to the rice safeguard the internal organs and keep them fit and ready. As per American Nutrition Association has listed following benefits if you stick to the practice of consuming such soaked curd rice. So it means consuming this rice as breakfast keeps the body light and also energetic. The beneficial bacteria get produced in abundance for the body. Stomach alignment disappears when this consumed in the morning as excessive, and harmful heat retained in the body is neutralized. As this food is very fibrous, it removes constipation and also dullness in the body. Blood pressure is normalized and hypertension also going to be make it proper control. The body feels less tired due to this food as a result of which one feels fresh throughout the day. This removes allergy-induced problems and also skin-related ailments. It removes all type of ulcers in the body due to consuming this rice. And last and final point to everyone, most important points. It helps in maintaining youthful and radiant look. Okay guys, so now we can have the food and how to eat.